Hello my friend, welcome to our YouTube channel Lifestyle Collection. Today we talk about Turkish very famous actor Doğan Bayraktar, lifestyle, hobbies, biographies, girlfriend, real age, net worth and much more. Let's start the video. Her birth name Doğan Bayraktar. Date of birth 8 August 1995. Present age 26 years old in 2021. Birthplace Istanbul, Turkey. Years active 2015 to present. Actor and model by profession. Zodiac sign Virgo. Education Nişantaşı University, Civil Action and Cabin Service. Height 6 feet 1.6 inches. Weight 82 kilograms. Her eye color green. Hair color dark brown. Ethnicity white. Marital status unmarried. Nationality Turkish. Religion Islam. Let's start the hobbies. He likes listening to music. He likes traveling around the world. He is an animal lover. Let's start the social media facts. He is quite famous on Instagram, 304k followers on Instagram. Her net worth $1 million approx. I hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for future update, like, comment, share. Take care. See you next video.